Hello friend, welcome back. In this video I want to discuss about how can finding an element in an array. So it's very much interactive, one of the things. Better right now to do and to close it. And here I make it as some of our array element as a 1, 2, 3. I make it as a 2 and also I make it as a 2. Okay, I make it as a 2. Great. So here right now, if you click as a save all, okay, if you click as a save all, now that should be display all that our array value, which is totally fine. So I want to find some of the specific number. I want to check in our array element area, is there have any 3 value or not? Is there have any 5 value or not? If you want to search it, then you can search it by the console. There is a console log, and into the console log. So friend, just simply remember all that methods is very important. Okay, every method will be needed later. There is a number, and then there is another method as includes method. Okay, with this includes method, now we can actually search it. Like I want to search it in our total array elements area, is there have any 3 value or not? Okay, you can name it, you can also get that things by the name. So right now I make it as a numberize all that value. So value is the same. Okay? If you want to use it as a string value, is totally fine. So now I am to search it with the numeric value. So now there is a 3. I want to search it, is there have any 3 value or not? Okay, now if you click as a save all, and now if you go, if there have any 3 value, then that will be returned as a true rather than that will be returned as a false. Now they have in our array element area, they have one of the 3 values, so it should be display as a true. You can see it's now display as a true. Okay, and if you make it as a some of the another value as a 300, so right now I don't have any 300 value, now that should be display as a false. Now click the refresh, you can see it's now display as a false. Okay friend, and also in our array element area here you can see they have some of the repetitive value like as a 2, 1, there is another one, right? So I want to find out they have the 3 relative our elements. Our first elements is which one? Okay, that means is there have any relative or not. So if there have any relative, that means the repetitive, then I want to get that first one, that means first index data. So if you want to get this element data, then that will be as a console, and then the console log, and then the numbers, right? With this number, there is another method as index of. Okay, there is an index of. So with this method we can actually get it like here I simply pass for the 2, right? That will be as a 2. So now our repetitive as we started from our which index, now that should be display this index number. Now click as a save also, there is a 0 and then 1. Now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now successfully display our indexing number as a 1. Okay, and if you want to get that our last one, okay, that means in our repetitive our last one is which index. If you want to get that index data, then there is also another method that will be as a console, and then the log, and console log, and then the numbers, and with this number there is another method as a last index. Okay, last index of. So now I want to make it as a last index of for the 2 value. Okay, I want to make it as a 2 value. Sorry, that will be here. 2 value. Now if you click as a save all, so our last one as a this one, right? That means a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that should be displayed as a 6. Now if you go click as a refresh, yeah, you can see it's now display as a 6. Okay friend. And also if you want to pass some of the parameter like double parameter, like here I pass it before as a 3, right? I make it as a 3. So when in our total array, if there have any 3, then that will be displayed as a true. Now click as a save all, refresh. Now you can see it's a display as a true. So if you want to start it from a particular some of the index, okay, from the any index, if you want to start it, then you can actually start it like that is a 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I want to make it as a 4. Okay, here after this I pass another parameter as a 4. Now that will be start counting from our 4 index. Okay, in particular that position, now that will be searched, is there have any 3 value or not? So from our 4 they have no 3 value, right? So that means right now that should be display as a false. If you now click as a save all, now refresh, now you can see it's now display as a false. But here if you pass it as a 6, okay, I want to search it with the 6 because that will be started from our 4, right? That is a 4 index. So into the 4 index, a particular this area that will be checked, is there have any 6 value or not. If you now click as a save all, Now refresh. Now that should be displayed as true. You can see it's now successfully displayed as true. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.